Rabbit, anong gusto lang malaman? Kasi siyempre, I am a Filipino citizen. Galing ko lang sa labas at bakasyon. At ito ang nangyari sa akin. So, ang first is, what is the basis for my arrest? If I am being arrested now for detention, and the basis of detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
Can you be allowed to answer, Mr. Former President, sir?
Yes, sir.
Based on the warrant of arrest, Mr. President, the warrant of arrest is issued pursuant to Article 25, 3, subsection A, the statute for the crimes against humanity, and murder pursuant to Article 7, paragraph 1, subsection A of the same statute, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period. That is the one we just mentioned, Mr. President, in the warrant of arrest.
Ano man, simple hindi natin yung high tax.
Yes, sir.
Because we want to exercise our options. Hindi naman yun. Hindi yung ipiprint nyo dito, yung natanggap nyo dito.
Show us the basis for the, restriction of freedom. Saan kaya yan?
Buhay ko zero. Buhay ko zero.
Generally, hindi ko sinabi, sana nakaprepare po kami, dinala namin ang mga gamot na kailangan. Dadalhin ninyo, ni walang gamot, 80 years old. Paano po? Sana pinasama niyo yung doktor niya.
Sir, please. Sir, this is a police operation. Sir, ulitin natin ulit, sir. Sandali muna. Back to square one. Earlier this saying, I placed the former president under arrest.
Daniel matanda,
His rights,
oxygen.
and I do believe that he has to submit to me.
Attorney,
Okay? Now, we are now taking custody.
Alam ko mga presidente. Alam ko ang trabaho. Trabaho nila. Alam nila. So, really ito. Wala nang pilitan na respetuhan lang. Anyway, kung hindi nila ako patay, at life is bigla lang. Sila na naman ang nasa kabila. Bawat tuloy